What do you do for work?
I run a reptile business.
What? We pulled up on Fox Pest Control today and they were completely surprised. And went over how to knock behind other companies, so I'm banking on them having a massive day today. But now we're gonna go out in groups of 2 reps and they're gonna watch me sell. And we're gonna talk about what happens in between each door. We're gonna try to get these sales filmed today so they can go on the course. It's super important to recognize the sales process in every single interaction I have with somebody. You do your intro, you try to find a problem, blow it out of proportion, give them the solution, price, redirect, close. And it's the same way every single time. So go ahead and follow us. We're gonna have a big day. Let's go.
No soliciting in this neighborhood.
No worries, we're a local company. Truck's already gonna be here. Pest control, do you wanna do it, yes or no? There we go. That was my solicit. No more. Okay, take care. Oh, okay. Do you guys have somebody yet or not yet for like the spray? Okay, take care. So I'm like, why do these guys always talk about stink bugs? And I pitched, because I have my south pitch, and I'm like, yeah, the wasp and the fire ants.
Oh, nobody has fire ants.
And well, Caden was like, hey man, I don't mean to like coach you, but there's no fire ants here. If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain. Name's Austin. I'm sure you're like, what in the heck is going on? I'll explain. So we've got our truck in your guys' neighborhood. As far as the square footage goes, I love it. What's the dog's name?
Steve.
Steve. Oh, that's like, I like that. So you get a kick out of this.
Most people laugh when we say Steve.
So my wife's name is Kaya, her brother's name is Rex, and her other brother's name is Bo, all dog names. so there's a human name for a dog. The joke with my wife's family is like they all have dog names. But like, no, I run into people all the time that have dogs named Kaya, Rex, and Bo.
Oh, right.
All the time. I'm like, hey, I ran into a dog with your name. What do you do for work?
I run a reptile business.
What? Okay, tell me more.
So we breed like snakes and reptiles, geckos, and all that kind of stuff.
That's cool. How'd you get into that?
My husband wanted a pet corn snake, and it kind of blew up from there.
Yeah. It's like, oh boy, now we have. So you guys have just started breeding since then.
Yeah, we got started in 2022? So
okay.
2 years ago.
Has it been like fun, like more profitable? I mean, great.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We're still building, but yeah.
Cool. And then real quick, you said you start to see the stink bugs in the kitchen areas, you said, during the fall?
I mean, if you want to send me prices or info, that's fine.
Okay, we might just cut through this way.
That's fine.
Cool.
I'm going on an adventure!
I thought it was going to be smooth. But we talked about this earlier. I'm trying to do like a pre-qualifying question. If the numbers made sense, would there be any other reason why you wouldn't do it? And didn't work. How are we doing today, brother? Save women sports. I like that. My wife's a weightlifter. You can take the call, no worries.
6.5 hours later.
Your name, sir?
Jim.
Jim. I know you weren't expecting me today, so you know how you got the webs right here?
Yep.
You married, sir?
Sort of.
Okay. My wife, she hates spiders.
Yeah.
Jim, though, I want to earn your business, though. So I'm going to make it a very easy, simple decision.
Yeah, I'm only here part-time of the year.
Yeah,
I'm here in the summer, so I'm not.
That's why we don't even need to charge you full price, because you don't have any big concerns.
I'm going to have to pass. I really
Gotcha.
am. I'm spending way too much money on stuff like this. So.
Gotcha. I'm going to go ahead. He might slap my wrist later. I don't care. We need to help you. I'm going to go ahead. Does that sound fair?
That's fair.
Cool. So real quick, all I need from you, and I'll wrap this up real quick. What's your phone number again, Jim?
630.
Email was? So I meet a lot of people. Your neighbors breed reptiles. You know that?
Which neighbors?
Right next door to you.
Here?
Right. Is it them? Yeah, they breed reptiles.
There's something every day.
yeah. Brother, they told me that, and I'm like, you do what? Pleasure doing business with you, sir.
Okay, thanks.
God bless.
Take care, guys.
Take care now.
Thank you, Major Sales Training.
What up, guys? If you're wondering how I close some of these deals, you need to hop on my training course. I've put together a course with over 100 live sales, and I show you exactly what to say in every single market with every single demographic, and use code MAZER20 to get $20 off your first month of Mazer sales training. Code is MAZER20. We'll see you on the other side. And that sale We had a guy who gave me some pushback originally. The only reason I got the sale is because I went for the close. I've been doing that all day. I got like turned down like 7 or 8 times, but it finally worked. So the lesson there is you can get told no a lot. Just make sure you keep your processes the same. The sales process is always the same. Intro, find a problem, give them the pitch, and then price, redirect, close. In that scenario, I got objections. I had to loop them again, find a new problem. In this case, the selling point was carpenter bees. Looped him again, and then hit him with a, does that sound fair? And stuck my hand in his hand, and he bought. So, win. Anything? What do you guys learn here?
Just to swing hard on every deal and like go for it, even if he's like really turning you down. You might as well just throw a price drop out there and see what happens, because you didn't really have to drop it that much.
Yeah, I learned that you don't have to drop reoccurrings if they have issues about reoccurring. You can just drop the initial first.
Yeah.
Because I'll just go cheapo, and you don't have to do that.
Good stuff, guys. Let's keep going that way. Back up!
Come on.
Are you gonna bite me?
Don't mind her ground.
Hey, let me get in the back of the truck.
No, you're fine. Hey, she just doesn't want to give up that seat in the window. Harley. She's fine.
All right, baby. We're going to a porta potty. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike's helping me. Hold me back.
Oh, that's fun.
Dude, you're the man. Sean, you've only ever seen me sell accounts. I will let you know, like, sometimes people say no. Scientifically, you need to treat now, but you're no longer with them anymore, so we can get you on board now, okay? I'm gonna do a full 30-foot treatment in the yard every single time with a granulation. The reason being, come look at this. The reason being is all of the bugs are gonna start from out here in the yard, then they make their way to your house, okay? So Victor, the next thing that we'll do for you is I'm gonna do a full base spray around the foundation of the home. That way nothing makes their way inside like those stink bugs and ants that you're seeing. Now, how big's the backyard?
It's like double this size.
Is it pretty foresty?
Yeah, it's foresty, and I need to do some.
That's okay. We'll treat back there if we can. If it's too much, then it's okay. Like, and then what was your phone number again, brother?
574.
What was your email again, man? At yahoo.com. So we'll call you before we come out. That way you know we're coming. But we need to treat the basement. If they're in the basement, it means they've gone underground, made their way through the walls. That's not ideal.
The carpenter bees.
Oh yeah.
They show up sometimes.
Where are you seeing those at right now?
The basement also, they come.
Yeah. Let me make a note of that. Carpenter bees, and so other companies are going to charge extra for that. I'm going to include those in the package. So if you're still seeing, because remember, we're going to come out for you every 3 months, Victor. If you're still seeing those in between, let us know. I'll be coming back out free of charge to retreat for those, because those carpenter bees can destroy your house, as well as the carpenter ants. We're going to cover both for you, okay?
Tomorrow is not going to work.
So look, let me just show you this before we start, backing out on this. We've got to do it tomorrow because my truck's already going to be here. But bear with me. Hey, bear with me. I knew you were going to come out and do this. I've been doing this for 6 years. While you were, I've been doing this for 6 years. I knew you were going to come out and say that.
I say that, right?
Listen, I know how this goes, okay? So while you were inside, I did text my manager, okay? I'm just letting you know this right now. I knew that you were going to come out, give me the same, oh, I need to think about it. I know you, man. I know how this goes. So look, here's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do. Hear me out.
Okay.
That stays between me and you, dude.
Okay.
I'm not playing with you. That stays between me and you. If you want to go grab that card, last thing I need, man. Happy we could help you. I got you, bro. Hey, we'll take good care of you, all right?
Thank you.
Hey, man, God bless. You'll see my guy tomorrow.
He was the best at knowing what people wanted to hear and what people needed to hear. That's what selling is all about. In a way, these people are buying you.
Okay, what did we learn? I don't give people an option, by the way. Like, he was signing up. I showed up to his door. So this is a like a pre-existing customer. So like, we're just doing training, brother. What's up? In between, like, after 3 o'clock, okay? Yeah. I got you, brother. Hey, be ready for him. He's gonna take good care of you, man. Like, I showed up to his door, and from the get-go, he was gonna buy. I knew it, like, because we had like a gray star. When you guys have gray stars, you need to treat them like, hey, like, what happened? Why didn't you get signed up? I figured out why. And then I just like, dude, that guy was like, there was a vice grip there. He was gonna sign up no matter what. And so when he came back out, I knew that he was gonna give me the price objection. So I said, oh, I already texted my manager. I already got this approved. So that helped there. Anything that you guys noticed?
There's a lot of just pre-overcoming.
Okay.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah?
And just like framing
Oh, dude, I'm the framing master. Were you on that training at all the other day?
Yeah, and then I rewatched it while I was showering, or I guess listened to it.
Oh, dude, that was a framing masterpiece, right?
Yeah.
Because we knew all the objections were going to come, so he postponed it, so that I used that. I basically took, I postponed it, and I flipped it on its head, and I said, you can't postpone anymore. Why?
Because the bugs will get
It's going to be too late, right? Urgency. It needs to happen now. What'd you learn?
Hey, I know you're gonna say this to me when you the second time he comes. That was the best line ever. Yeah.
And I got him to laugh too.
Yeah.
So like if you can get someone to laugh, you can actually push a little bit harder with them.
How do you do it, this kind of houses? I mean, I couldn't feel it. I just walk away kind of person. When
I knew pretty early that he's the type of guy that I could get to say yes. He was just kind of super chill. So I'm like, oh, we're gonna get him. Because some other sales rep signed him up. And what did I say before I left?
No
Don't be flaking out on me like you did with Isaiah.
No.
I got you, bro. Hey, we'll take good care of you, all right? He goes, no. So like I'm like, dude, that guy is like, he's stuck. Like, he's getting service tomorrow, and he knows it. He can't back out. Okay, does that make sense? He's really good to do same days on. Avatar's like his personality type. Really good to get same day within a couple hours or two. If I don't have that, I just get him service the next day and it's fine. Next day, I want to get that service for sure.
anytime.
Do you want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do.
Park here anytime you need to.
All right, I'll keep that in mind. So check this out. So there's like a trunk in front of the car too.
That is so cool.
It's crazy, ain't it?
That is so cool. Look at the windows keep going up and down.
Uh-huh.
This is awesome.
But yeah, dude, if you want to go sit in the front, if you want, yeah, take a picture.
Coolest 7-year-old.
Yeah, how many 7-year-olds have a picture with them in a Cybertruck?
No.
Little ants and stink bugs, and that's your guys' like hot button. This is a buggy market. I've sold all over the country. This has a lot of bugs. Like, this is money, so I like it out here.
Started coaching with him this year. And gosh, I've done all kinds of sales training. I've done door-to-door university. I've always just like looked for new things to help like level up my game and slowly improve throughout the years, but there's nothing out there quite as interactive and I think just like specific to the door-to-door pest control industry that Austin Mazer provides. Like I've just looked, I've done like all kinds of, paid tons and tons of money for other courses, and this one's definitely been like the most transformational, and he's got a hand to play in like our success this summer. Our office this year has produced more revenue than we've ever produced. I've got rookies that are doing better than they've ever done, and I'm doing better than I've ever done by like over 50% in sales production. Dude, I think it's a no-brainer to hire Austin and to like soak up as much knowledge as you can from him, because he's going to help you like wherever you're at, whatever you choose to do with him, he's going to help you level up in your pest control game.